Hi, my name's Tony Gutierrez. I'm the owner of Hunting Guides and Outfitters. I put this web directory together of fair chase and high fence operations for individuals who want to get out and enjoy the outdoors. I know that there are groups of people who are just truly dedicated to fair chase, and we have those individuals in this directory. I also know that there's individuals who are older, like myself, who no longer can get out the way we used to, but still want to get out and enjoy this country and go and get out and hunt. So we have those hunts available also. So whatever your choice is, and whatever way you wish to choose to hunt, whether it be with archery, whether it be with shotgun, whether it be with rifle, muzzleloader, there are hunters in this directory for you to get together and enjoy this great outdoors that we have here in the United States. So thank you so much for taking a look around, and God bless America.